John?
Okay, I'm going to show you how to transfer leaf. So we've got a book here of plain loose gold leaf. So they're loose sheets. Um, you can see the loose, but we're going to transfer that and put a bit of wax paper on there so that you can see how that's done. So we'll start off with some wax paper. Come around. We'll get some wax paper. I'm going to cut this into 100mm squares. So a square like that. So what we'll do is, with this book of gold leaf, open up one sheet of tissue, put the gold leaf in. I've put it on a curve so that it's going to find its way in there nicely. I'll tuck that right into the seam of the book and just let that fall down and roll that back over it. Now if we just give that a bit of a press like that, it doesn't have to be too firm, then we can see that we're able to pick up the gold leaf and then apply it to whatever we want. After we've used that, we'll end up with, we can reuse this wax paper several times, and we'll end up with, you know, whatever scraps are left over. So it can be reused several times.